In this video, we'll cover how to buy on eBay without getting scammed. So while buying online can be fantastic, scams still happen even on major platforms like eBay and Amazon and so forth. So the first step is to understand eBay's actual protections. eBay has a buyer protection program. If the item doesn't arrive or is significantly different from the description, you may be eligible for a refund. There is also the eBay Security Center, which provides resources on buyer and seller safety. So read the buying section on eBay's help pages, check seller ratings, contact policy, and how to report issues. Next up, you need to do your own research, or homework would be a better word. Review the seller's feedback. Look for high positive ratings, many completed transactions, consistent history. Be wary of sellers with mostly new accounts, few past sales, or feedback that looks generic, like written by a bot, as well as things like confirming the seller's location, shipping terms, return policy, and so forth. Check the listing carefully. Read the full description so that you know exactly what you are getting. The condition, is it new? Is it used? Are there any faults? What is the exact model or size of the item? Look at the photos. Are they clear? Or are they trying to hide certain things? You need to do your homework here. Some common scams to beware of are things being too good to be true, right? High-end items listed for extremely outlandishly low prices. Very often it's going to be a trap. Requests to pay off platform. Seller would ask you to pay outside of eBay, so now their protection doesn't apply. That is a major red flag. Never go off platform. And then of course, there's the fake listings, the counterfeits. The item looks legit, but is fake or not as described. Check authenticity, model number, and when things reach you, make sure to check them. Check it on that same day, at least. So that brings us to the final point that I want to make, is that once the item arrives, inspect it immediately. Make sure that it is in good condition, the correct model, functioning as described. If something is wrong, open a case immediately. Leave honest feedback to help future buyers, which ties back into the earlier point I made. And that's pretty much how you will avoid being scammed on eBay. Just do your homework. Make sure to be fast and prompt when things arrive, and that'll save you a lot of cash and a lot of time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.